I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper tattoo. So this is a very easy way of making a paper tattoo and it is useful too. So this is not an ordinary tattoo, this is a Valentine's Day special tattoo. So as all of you know, Valentine's Day is coming up and you all want to do something special for Valentine's Day. So I thought of this idea of making a very easy craft as a Valentine's Day tattoo. So many of you would like to have a tattoo on your hand, but your parents won't allow you to buy them or put them on because they'll take a lot of time to go off. But this is a very easy way of making a tattoo, and it depends upon you until how much time they can stay on your hand. So if you make the tattoo darker, it will stay on your hand for like 2 to 3 days. But if you make it light, it will stay like for about a day. So you guys can put that tattoo on your hand and decide about how much time you want to put it. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really cool Valentine's Day tattoo. So for this activity, to get started, I'm just going to be taking a green piece of paper. So you guys can take any color you like. I'm just going to be taking this as a base for our craft we are going to be doing. So as the first step, I'm just going to be folding the paper in half like this. And I'm going to be turning the paper again and I'm going to be folding it in half. So I'm just going to be doing this to make the tattoo nice and thick. So you can just keep this safely after we complete that, and you can put the ink over here and you can put the tattoo how many times you want. But if you're going to be making a different design, you can take different things like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be cutting out a small rectangular piece over here. So I'm just going to be cutting out this part over here. I'm going to be cutting out this part too, and I'm going to be cutting it over here from this side, and I'm going to be cutting the paper from this side as well. So I'm just going to be putting the rest of the pieces aside and I'm going to be opening it. So as you guys see, after you open it, we'll have 4 pieces like this. So now I'm just going to be taking one piece. So I just took 4 pieces because you guys can make 4 tattoos or many more tattoos. So if you're going to be just making one tattoo of one design, you can take one. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys only how to make one tattoo. So I'm taking this piece. And now you guys should be taking a pencil and you can draw the design what you want on the tattoo. So for Valentine's Day, I'm just going to be drawing the heart as I put over here. So if you guys want, you can even draw stars or anything you like. So first, I'm just going to be drawing a heart over here. So I'll show you guys once I complete drawing the heart. So please do it slowly like this. So as you guys see, I've completed drawing the heart. So our heart is ready. Now the next step we're going to be doing is that you're supposed to be giving a dark outline on the heart, because after we do this, we're going to be sticking some tape over it. So sometimes we cannot see the heart properly, so please make it nice and dark like this. So after that, I'm just going to be taking some tape. So you guys can take any tape you like, and I'm just going to be cutting it over here like this. So I'm just taking a small portion of tape like this over here, and I'm going to be sticking it on a different part of the heart over here. So now I'm just going to be cutting out the excess parts of tape like this. So you guys do not have to do it if you don't like. I'm just going to be doing it so that it remains nice and beautiful. So you guys can make it in any color, but I prefer black because if you use red or anything like that, it won't look like it's a tattoo. It will just look like a marker outline. But if you guys want, you can even use colors, but it's depending upon your wish. So after we complete this, I'm going to take the pencil again and I'm going to be drawing another top outline over here on the heart like this. So as you guys see, I did that. Now I'm going to be turning the paper and I'm going to be cutting it in slowly over here with a pencil. So you guys can do that slowly like this. So I'm just going to be cutting it in gently over here. So you guys don't have to do it darkly. I'm just going to be doing it so that it will be nice and strong and will stick together. So just do a small outline like this over here on top of it. So you can't see it properly, but just do a small outline over here like this. So now I'm going to be taking the pencil and I'm going to be drawing another outline of this pencil on top of the tape over here. So please do that slowly, and after we do that, we'll get a structure like this. So it'll be nice and soft and nicely fit with each other. Next, I'm going to be taking a black board marker and I'm just going to be giving it a small outline over here. So it's fine if you do not have a board marker. We're just going to be doing a small outline with it so that the tattoo will be nice and long lasting. So if you do it with the board marker, then if you put the things on top, it will be nice and dark. So if you guys want to keep it like for 1 or 2 days or more than 2 days, you can keep this board marker, then repeat the next step I'm going to be doing. But if you just want it for like 1 day or so, you don't have to do this step. So next, I'm just going to be taking a red marker and I'm going to be giving it an outline on top of this. I'm just going to be giving it so that it'll be nice and multi-layered over here. So I'm just going to be doing it again. So as you guys see, if you do that, this board marker will be becoming small and it will be lighter like this. So that's what we want. We just want to give it like a structure like that. So if you guys wanted to make it light, you don't have to do these steps. You just have to take a black marker like this. But if you want to make it nice and dark, you should follow that steps as well as this one. So now I'm just going to be taking a black marker and I'm going to be giving an outline on top of it. So please take a nice black marker properly and I'm going to be giving it an outline slowly like this. So after we complete giving this an outline, I'm going to be taking some more tape over here and I'm going to be cutting it slowly like this. So now it's the most important part. I'm just going to be folding this tape over here and I'm going to be turning this tape and I'm sticking it again like this. And now I'm going to be cutting off the excess part like this. So as you guys see, we'll have the tape on both sides. So if you have double-sided tape, you can just stick that on top, but if you do not have, please use this. So I prefer use this because it's nice and transparent and you can see. So we just fold like that and we have two sides of tape. Now I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm sticking this on top of the black heart over here. So after we complete this, as you guys see, it will be nice and sticky, and I'm going to be taking the black marker again. So we just did that so that it will be nice and strong over here and it's a nice pattern. So we just made it nice and dark at the bottom part. So this is only the main part. We made it nice and dark so that next time we're going to be making it, you can remember that you made it nice and sticky. So you can just put this on your hand, it will come. But if you're going to be giving it one more time, I'm going to be putting 2 or 3 more tattoos. You should give it with a black marker one more time and you should put it. So, but we should do it as quickly as possible because if we take it on longer time, it will dry off. So I'm going to be giving one more outline over here and I'm just going to be keeping this. So as you guys see, I already have a tattoo over here and I'm going to be putting this one over here. So after we stick this, I'm just going to be dipping my hand in a little bit of water and I'm just going to be applying the water over here. So please do not apply more water. If you don't have, just leave it. So after we do that, I'm just going to be pressing it nice and strongly on our hand over here. So please have to do it nice and strongly so that it sticks properly like this. So after some time, I'm just going to be pulling it gently like this. So as you guys see, our heart tattoo is ready. So in this one, I didn't put 2 layers of marker. So as you guys see, this one is much darker than this one. So I'm not sure if it's clear, but if you guys want, you can put it one more time over here. So I'm just going to be putting it one more time. And I'm going to be pressing it, I'm going to be pulling it. So as you guys see, this one's not that much darker. But if you're going to be putting it one more time, you could take the black marker and you could just give an outline again. And you could take this part and you could stick it over here. And as you guys see, if you open it, we just have to press on it nicely. So after a few minutes, if you open it, it'll be nice and dark. So after we complete this, our paper tattoo is ready. So if you guys not wanted to make it nice and thick, you just want the output, you could just take tape at the beginning. You could just turn this tape and you could stick it as double-sided. And you could just write whatever you want over here. Then you can stick it on your hand and it will come. But if you do that, you can only use it one time and it won't be nice and thick. But if you do like this one, as I showed you guys, it will look like a real tattoo and it will have like a base and everything to it. But if you only use tape at the beginning, you won't be able to use this. But if you use this one, you could whenever you want to put the heartine tattoo, you could just use this. But please make sure you don't put it in the mouth because since markers are poisonous. Also please be careful while trying this out and do not repeat this again and again. Just give it some time to do it. So after we complete this, our paper tattoo is ready. So it's a really easy way of making a paper tattoo and it is useful too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So please make sure you don't lick this or do anything. So after you do this, if you have marker stains on your hands and fingers, please wash them out properly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So you guys can repeat the same steps and you could just do a star, rectangle, a square and any other things for the other 3 papers if you want. So I'll be back in Crafty Kids with more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Share this video to your friends and family and enjoy watching my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.